Atma Namaste. I am Rangaswamy. I am joining the Pranic Healing 98 November. So by the time Pranic Healing is very small tree, now it is very big banyan tree. So I am working with all the trainers, books and CDs, certificates, all the books I am sending all over India and world. I am very happy with the work. I meet the master every year, August 15th. I am taking the blessing. I am enjoying the meditation. 98 to till date, I am handing all the books and CDs and certificates. I am happy with working with Sriram sir and Sumi madam. Thank you for Sumi madam and Sriram sir. Thank you for all. Thank you, Atma Namaste.
Namaste. I am proud to introduce myself, Nirmala. I would like to thank everyone for giving me an opportunity to share few experiences of my life in Pranic Healing. I joined Pranic Healing 17 years ago in September 2004. I was working as a secretary in one of the organizations which was being run by Dr. C. Sundaram, who actually started Pranic Healing in India. I had an opportunity to serve as a volunteer in Pranic Healing for few years, which was at the same place. Later, fortunately, I got an opportunity to serve in Pranic Healing. I learned few courses, and our daily work also is said to be the spiritual practice because we do Guru's work every day. The spiritual energy is definitely increased. We are applying the same in our daily life also, which has taken me in the direction to achieve something which would have not been possible without Master's guidance. And I am very lucky to be the disciple of Grandmaster Chokoksi. Even my personal life is changed after joining Pranic Healing School. Once again, I would like to thank our Guru Grandmaster Chokoksi for giving me an opportunity to serve in his organization. Thank you. Atma Namaste.
Atma Namaste. I am Vasanta. I have been associated with World Pranic Healing Foundation since 1999. It's all started with my mother. She was one who introduced me to the foundation. I still remember with Master visited our foundation and Sriram sir introduced me and I got his blessings too. That was moment where my life has changed and I am lucky to serve the foundation since then till now. With all blessings I have done, Aratic Prab continue to learn. Even my family is a part of Pranic Healing. Thank you to my Guru. Atma Namaste, everybody.
My name is G.S. Krishnamurthy, also known as GSK. I was introduced to Pranic Healing in the year 2002 and was blessed with an opportunity to work for World Pranic Healing Foundation India since 2006. Previously, I was working for Government of India company as administrative officer. I feel privileged that this experience could be carried into the work of Guru's organization. Since then, my financial, material and spiritual growth has been manifold. During many difficult times, me and my family have literally witnessed the presence of the Guru and how he transformed our lives. No words can express the gratitude we feel. I am ever grateful to the constant love and guidance from Acharya Hector, Acharya Daphne, Acharya Daini, Acharya Harmi, Sriram, Sumi and Christine. Thank you. Atma Namaste.
Atma Namaste Master. I am very proud to introduce myself. Kala worked for Pranic Healing Office. I joined in 2007 and I worked for Pranic Healing Office more than 13 years of service. And during my stay was in Pranic Healing, I learnt a lot through Master's teaching. I had an opportunity to go to Manila and Bhutan also because of Master's blessings. And Pranic Healing played a vital role in my personal life, mentally, physically and financially also, with a very good support status. Thank you once again, Master, with lots of gratitude, with lots of respect, with lots of love. Yes, Master, thank you, Master. Atma Namaste, Master. I love you, Master.
Atma Namaste. My name is Sefi Sebastian, working at the Bangalore office for World Pranic Healing as admin. I joined in December 2014 when I was at my lowest point in life. I'm very grateful to Sumi and Sriram for introducing me to Grandmaster and Pranic Healing. I have not seen Master in the physical form, but have felt his divine guidance and blessings during the last 5 years as a Arhatic yogi in every major step of my life. Every course I did, I learned something new about me and understood the people around me better. It has also helped me professionally and personally. Working at Pranic Healing may have started off as a regular job, but over the years it has changed into an institution that has made me a better person with each passing year. I would like to continue my service here as long as Master deems it fit. With endless gratitude to Master, all the Acharyas, Sumi and Sriram, thank you and Atma Namaste.
Hi everyone, Atma Namaste. I am Madan from World Pranic Healing Foundation, India. I am working with this wonderful foundation from past 4 years. I do meditation and exercise every day. It relaxes my body. I am thankful to everyone I have worked with. My special thanks to Sriram Rajgopal and Sumi Lazan. Thank you, Atma Namaste.
Atma Namaste Grandmaster. I am Krithivasan, worker for Pranic Healing Office. During my employment, I had an opportunity to attend various Pranic Healing courses up to Arhatic Yoga preparatory level. I learnt many Pranic Healing methods and doing regular meditation. I noticed that this gives more calm and happiness to lead a quality life. Thank you, Master.
Atma Namaste, my name is Olivia Srijit. I had joined World Pranic Healing in August 2019, so it's just going to be a year now. When I had initially joined, I had zero knowledge about Pranic Healing, but when I began my journey, I got to know a lot more about Pranic Healing and how it can help me and the people around me. The most amazing experience I've ever had here is while doing Twin Hearts meditation with the team. We always started our day with the meditation. It has always helped me and it has energized me throughout the day. I'm so glad and happy that I've got an opportunity to work here. Thank you. Atma Namaste.